Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you the simple egg stew recipe. This was quick to put together. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, let's get into the video. In a pot, I'll go in with my oil, let it heat for some few minutes before I will go in with my onions and also my chopped green pepper. I'll also go on and add some chopped garlic and stir everything together. I'll let this fry for 5 minutes, then add my other ingredients. So after 5 minutes, I'll give this a quick stir and then go in with my chopped tomatoes. I will then stir everything together. I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through to watch my videos. God bless you. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing, and thank you too. After additional 5 minutes, the stew is doing so well. I went in to add my smoked dry fish. I will then stir everything all together. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and it is free. So guys, at this point we are almost done with the preparation of the stew. So I'm just giving it another quick stir and then go in with my seasoning. I went in with some black pepper, curry powder. I also added some salt and seasoning cube. I will stir everything. If you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video, share among your friends and family, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to it. Okay fam, at this point I went in with my eggs. I will just stir gently and then cover it. So after 5 minutes, this is it now. I will stir it again. And guys, the aroma smells so amazing. This is so quick to make with just some few ingredients, and you would love it when you try this. So I also added some sardine, and we then went in with some carrot, bell pepper, and some onions. So these are the vegetables I will use. You feel free to use any vegetables of your choice, and then cover it for some few minutes because we don't want the vegetables to overcook. So after 5 minutes, I'm just stirring it again. Guys, our stew is almost done. Just look at this lovely outcome. Looks so colorful. Alright fam, so at this point the egg stew is ready. With just some few ingredients, you can make this. You can pair this stew with your rice, yam, potatoes. Everything goes well with this stew and it looks so delicious. If you find this video interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. Till I come your way again, see you in my next one. So I went ahead to pair this stew with my white rice. It tasted so delicious. I hope you try this. Thank you once again and see you in my next video.